Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, it's release day, it's Spellbinders, and I get to share with you the contents of the kit this month. This is the July 2021 card kit of the month, and it's called Damask Daydream. We're going to take a look at everything in the kit, and then following this video, I'll be creating 10 cards with it, so be sure and check that out. This is your content sheet. It has everything that is included in the kit, along with 3 beautiful inspirational projects, and then one of those projects is on the reverse side, and there's a step-by-step guide on how to create that card, including everything that you need to create it, which is fabulous. Usually it's with the dies in the kit, so it's a nice little guide on how to use the dies. You get a double-sided sheet of mirror cardstock, and you get an 8.5 by 11 sheet of white cardstock, 2 shades of green. All of your cardstocks are 8.5 by 11. You get 2 shades of pink. You also get 2 shades of lavender or purple, really pretty, and then a real pretty yellow, a nice summery yellow. So 8 cardstock, colored cardstock, and then 1 specialty, which is really nice. Next you get 10 card bases and 10 envelopes. The envelopes are pretty. They have that long V flap, which are nice, and then your card bases are side folding. They're A2, 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches, and you get 10 of those also. Next we're going to take a look at the 6x6 paper pad. It comes with the plastic packaging. What I like to do is grab my scissors and just trim off the top. This way, when I'm done creating, if I have any loose extra pieces of pattern paper, I can stick behind the paper pad in that plastic. But so pretty the colors are in here. There are 20 different patterns, and you get 2 of each pattern. Some of them have a gold accent on them. Lots of damask prints here. This has little starbursts that are gold, which are nice. Florals, stripes, swans, larger damask, which is really nice. That looked like it was foiled, but it wasn't. It just looked like it was. The stripes were foiled though. But I just love this, and the colors coordinate perfectly with your cardstock and also with everything in the kit. So 2 different 20 sheets, 2 of each pattern, which is really nice. Next we're going to take a look at our stamp set. I love I've been doing Spellbinders kits for a while, and I never get tired of them because they are so much fun and they're fully loaded. This is your stamp set, guys. You get some beautiful florals on here. 2 of the dies in this month's kit will die cut out the hello and then that top left floral, which makes it really nice. The sentiments are so pretty, kind of goes with the floral images, which is nice. But that's just it's almost a 4x6 stamp set. It's slightly smaller, but that's your stamp set. You also get some chipboard stickers. These have gold glitter on them, and I'm going to rub them to see if they're going to shed. And I went over them with my hand, and I think like 2 pieces of glitter came off on my hand. So I would say they're almost a non-shed sentiment sticker sheet, which is really nice. And I love the gold color, just beautiful, shimmery, shiny. You also get another sticker sheet. Now this is thinner than your sentiments that I just showed you. So it's like a super thick sticker. They're if you want to pop them up, they're not going to bow or anything. They're very sturdy, not quite chipboard. I would say maybe half the thickness of chipboard, but there's some beautiful images in there, along with some more sentiments that are just solid gold, which goes perfect with your mirror cardstock. But wait, we have some more. That's what I love about the kits. They're fully loaded. You get 8 butterflies, and these are 3D. They're sticker backed, and then the center of the butterflies have that gold glitter, so they coordinate with your sentiment chipboard stickers. Beautiful colors in here. And I want to take some cardstock because there's acetate on here that has detail. I'm going to see if you could see it behind it. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but there's white detail that really soften the butterflies, but you have that 3D look, which is so fun. So you get some, and you can see it coordinates with those stickers really nice. But those are your butterfly stickers. And then we're going to take a look at our gems. We get a full huge pack of gems, guys. There's 4 different sizes in here. And I love that they're clear iridescent because they go with everything. And I think it just adds a nice little bells and whistles to your project, which is nice. I'm going to open up one of my card bases and zoom in, and we're going to take a look at the die cut pack. We get one of those with this kit this month. You get 2 of each die cut, and I'm going to zoom up the video so we can go through it really fast. But there's gold accent on some of these too. There are 2. If I just show you one, there's another one behind it, but there are 2 of each of the die cut pieces. And the colors coordinate with your pattern paper, with everything in the kit, which is nice. Everything's just coordinated for you. There's lots of sentiment strips in here too. There's even a tag, hot air balloons, florals, even a carousel horse, which is just lovely. A few damask little pieces, and then you also get some tickets, which are really nice. So lots in the die cut pack. I'm going to scoot these back in the package, and then we'll continue on. You get your adhesives. You get a roll of double-sided tape, and then you also get some foam squares. And then we also get our dies this month. I'm going to grab my little board. People have asked me where I got my little magnetic board. Well, it's a white board that is actually a shim. It's a spacer. I picked it up from Spellbinders a long time ago when it was on sale, and then I just used my own magnetic sheets and tacked it. I use adhesive back magnetic sheets. So those are the boards that I use. They're just little spacers. But these are the dies. You get 6 total. You can see the hello and then the floral that will die cut out from your stamp set. And then you get 4 beautiful dies that create some outlined floral images, which is nice. I'm going to die cut them out and show you what they do and what they look like. We'll just scoot these aside. I'm going to die cut them out with the white cardstock that's in the kit. I'm just going to quarter it, and then we'll line them up. I do want to stamp the floral and the hello and die cut that out also. Usually when I die cut these out, and along with the floral here, I'll use them in my card projects. So you might be coming from the 10 card 1 kit video, which is following this video, to see how I die cut these out. But the floral in here, all the florals in the stamp set are nice, and I think they're kind of sometimes you get a floral that looks good just black and white. When I stamped this, I thought, wow, this looks so pretty just the way it is. I mean, it'll look gorgeous colored in, but I think it looks gorgeous just black and white. You can see here. Look how pretty the little font of the hello is too. Next, we're going to kind of arrange our little dies and see if we can fit them all on this panel. I'm going to die cut out 2 of that corner piece, and then show you how to create a frame with it. I'm going to tack this down, kind of making room, see if I can squeeze everything in here. But I love that there's coordinating dies for your stamp set. I ran these through my Platinum 6, and then I'm going to show you what this floral looks like. Isn't that gorgeous? There's like extra little shading in there, and I just think it's pretty. You can color it in too. But there's your hello. I like that you can pop up the hello and then add a secondary sentiment below it or above it. You get a single flower. This flower actually coordinates with the one that's on the corner design piece. And this is where your tool-in-one comes in handy. You just roll it over and all those little pieces fall out. But isn't that a pretty flower? This little piece is like well, these are the leaves first. We'll punch these out. The leaves are outlined, which are so pretty, and they're the perfect size for the single flower. Now, I like that you get 2 of them too. So those are your leaves, and then you get this little, let's take a closer look. There's like a little berry swag or flourish in here. It has a curve to it, which is nice to create a wreath, but it's nice too for corners, for corner building. And it has little berries and leaves on this too. So that's really pretty. I love Spellbinders dies. I think they're amazing. And then you get your corner piece. that's another reason why I love the Spellbinders kits, is you get so much in here. Full-size paper pad, dies, stamps, embellishments, gems, adhesives, your card bases. It is jam-packed. If you're new and want to check out the card kit subscription, I'll list it down below, guys. But I did cut out 2 of these. Now, one end of your corner has a dotted end, and the other one has a square. You're going to want to glue the dot over the square. It's meant so it looks continuous and you can actually see through all the dots. So I love that they think of this, but you can see how beautiful that corner flourish is. I'll use these for a few of the cards in my 10 card 1 kit video. And that is everything in the kit this month. So I am super excited and can't wait to get started. This is your project guide that you use your dies. It kind of shows you how to use them. But thanks so much for joining me. Have a lovely day. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye-bye.